Sing Sang Tsai, Tsai Lihu. My name is Dili Grace, 29 years of age, from Isulan Sultan, Kudarat, Philippines. I am single, and my highest educational attainment is third year college with a course of Bachelor of Science Information System. And my hobbies is cleaning and cooking, and also a pet lover. I have a dog and cat. My experience are taking care of elderly. I work as housemaid in Philippines for 5 years from 2019 to 2024. I serve one couple and also 2 children, 5 years old girl and 7 years old boy. My duties are taking care of children and elderly, cleaning, cooking, doing laundry, ironing, car washing, and also marketing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family and for my future. I am willing to take care of children and elderly and also newborn baby. I can sing a rhyme like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. To my future employer, please, ma'am and sir, choose me as your housemaid because I'm hardworking, honest, and obedient, and have a long patience, and I promise to be a good housemaid and prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract and more. Ma'am and sir, I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.